Hi and welcome back to my small but tartan-clad channel, The Kilted Cyclist. Today we're off to Stirling, filming the old town and the castle. Now, I filmed here last year, but it really wasn't the best film, so I hope this one fares a wee bit better. I didn't have the bike today as I'm not really sure you can cycle round the castle, but it shall return for the next one, never fear. So is Stirling worth visiting? Too right it is. There are some great cafes and wee independent shops, and of course the castle. Okay, so it is 14 of your finest Scottish pound notes to get in. It's not cheap, but I think it's worth the money, just. The Argyll and Southern Highlanders Museum is really quite interesting, but hey, don't take my word for it. See it for yourself. Anyhow, let's just get started. Well, that was Stirling again. It's a place that would be great to stay overnight, I think, as there's a lot of nice pubs and restaurants there. Now, the last time I actually went into the castle was that long ago that we're still building it. Or so it seemed. I'm sure I was still at primary school, so it was certainly a long time ago. Yet another great day for filming. I seem to do well picking the days when the weather's just fantastic. And thanks again for all your support. Thanks again, Dave, for the coffees. Once again, it helped immensely. Now, as the weather gets better, I will definitely be travelling to further destinations. Mostly still in Scotland, but I may venture over the border, so stay tuned. Once again, time has beaten us, so until the next time, bye for now.